Today we're going to show you a project that we're about to finish. This used to be 950 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. We turn it into 1450 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Let me show you around. Here, as you can see, we created open floor with kitchen island. We create open space. We used to have walls all around. We removed the walls, new beams, countertops all around the kitchen, cabinets, everything is new and modern. This is another room addition that we built to add square foot for the house and to turn it into 3 bedrooms. You can see all brand new, closet, pocket doors. Here we did full remodel for this bathroom. New toilet, new vanities, countertops, and new shower heads, shower bath, linen closets. Now we're gonna look at the master suite addition. We have new master shower, walk-in closet and bedroom. Let me show you how it looks inside. We have hanging walls vanities with countertops, double shower, hanging toilets with some linen closet. This will be the master bedroom with windows towards the backyard and exit to the side yard. It's gonna be a deck and we have walk-in closet right next to it. Look at the ceilings, everything is new. This will be the exit from the master suite. We're gonna have wood step to connect to the existing deck. We did new roof, new smooth stucco, new central AC. Here we're gonna see the last portion of the yard, the condenser for the AC, the upgraded main panel, tankless, all hidden in the back of the house. We're gonna have improved landscaping and I hope you enjoyed it.